Alright, a little bit of miscalculation occurred today. I did not come in here early. I was doing my other show. Anyway, today is what do you call this? Here we go. Today we were trading unemployment change and unemployment rate, and the result was mixed, which means no trade for me. But I broke my own rule. I see that this proportion of this proportion, the result of employment change is significantly higher than the unemployment rate. So I took a chance, and it was alright. I was aiming for 10 pips, but that didn't happen. I got out early because, as you can see, the move is way too small. So I just want to ensure that I got something out of it, and I did. Another $6, which should be good enough for a cup of coffee. I'll take it. This is not supposed to happen anyway. Again, I broke my own rule, so this is not going to be count as a win. Alright. As usual, I'm going to just leave this window open while I'm doing my report. How are we doing, by the way? I bet you guys must have a field day last night after that report from the PPI and FOMC report from a few hours ago. I didn't stay. FOMC has always been too hard for me to predict, so no. And it's also way too late for me to stay as well. Being in Thailand, that means I have to wait all the way until 2 a.m. No, not worth it. Okay. Just not that. Let's take a look at the actual range. The actual range was 60 pips, not bad. 60 pips. I got in and out within a couple minutes, I think. It was red and green. I went short. It was a no trade. I'll just put it as gambling. Yeah. I got myself much 6.01. Right, that's how much I got. Yes. Cool. And I think I did good because I don't think it went. Oh, okay. It does eventually. It will go all the way to 10 pips. Alright, fair enough. So this is 7 minutes in. Still though, I wouldn't stay too long in this trade because of the mixed signal. I'll stand by it. That was the right decision. The most correct decision would be not taking a trade at all. Once again, a mixed signal like this, you shouldn't be taking a trade. Yeah, so I will not put that as a win. But I did make some nice round up profit. Alright, fine. Fine. pips. Wow. I wonder if it will eventually hit this the end of the stick again. It might be. No regrets. No regrets. Okay, we got. We did. What should I put this? No, I put it as no trade. Get another no trade tonight. Trade this one. With a twist. This is British pound, GBP, AUD, pair on the unemployment rate. Okay, here we go. Where is it? It's right here. No, employment change and unemployment rate. News releases. The result were green and red, which means we should not take a trade. Although the green result is way stay within this range. Yeah, $6 is good. Although the green result is way heavier than the red result. It is probable. No. It way more. It way more to the. It favor more in the short position. Broke my rule. And enter a short position. But that is the characteristic of the news with, you know, two polar opposite results though. Okay, the price moved down as predicted, allowing me to take the profit, a small profit. I quickly exit the trade. exit the trade because of the polar opposite result of the news. Could potentially reverse back at any time. And it did. And it behaved like that. As the price did not move beyond to the usual target of 10 pips. So this is a good example, I guess. Of taking a trade when the the 15 candle is already over. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, it's continued to go down. Fair enough. I guess the trends are kind of strong too. Kind of favor the downtrend. Very good. Good example of taking a trade with mixed result, but distinguish. Predictable outcome. Today is the 14th, and this is 7:30 a.m. trading session. Alright, not too bad. Yeah, $6 is fine. Hey, profit is profit. It bothers me a little bit. Because I guess eventually it will move to my target range, but no. This is a gamble session, so fuck it. Alrighty then. Thank you for staying with me this long and listening to me blabbing. See you guys again in a few hours, because today, this afternoon, we still have here we go. At 3:30, our main event, S&P policy rate. It's gonna be good. Or not. We'll see. Until then, bye.